Hey guys, so I'm here, and as you can see, my hair is going back red again. Don't mind my purple eyebrows. I didn't wash my face or anything yet. At first I thought I was like totally filming the process of this, and I didn't press record, so I sat here talking to myself for a good 10 minutes. So that's how that went. But so you guys know I had the Purple Rain by Arctic Fox in for about like 2 months. I really liked it, and as it started to fade, I was like, you know what? I really miss having my red hair. I do love that purple though, love it. But I did pick up the Arctic Fox Poison. I did pick up 2 of the 8-ounce bottles. I just used 1 in my hair for now. I just finished putting it in. It looks really bright. I'm going to leave it in for a while though because, you know, I am covering the purple. But we're going to see how this does. It's about like 8 o'clock right now, but I'm going to wait and probably, I don't know, maybe about like almost like 9. I'm probably going to wash it out, leave it in for like an hour. But look how bright it looks. I hope it looks like this when I wash it. My eyebrows look so weird right now. I made such a mess doing this. I look crazy. And then my glove broke about halfway through. Yeah. But I love Arctic Fox color. It smells great. This one smells like a cherry grape. I love how shiny it is. It's like a deep conditioning treatment all in one. So I'm hoping it comes out looking like this. That'd be great if it did. I really like, it was like I got bored, but to be honest, I think like red hair is like my thing. I know that sounds weird, but I like the bright red. I know it sounds weird, but I love the bright red and having it just be such a difference in contrast. I just love it so much. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to check in when it's, when I wash it out, give you guys an update, and then probably later on or tomorrow when it dries. But yeah, I shall be back, and that is what I am doing. Don't mind again, I look crazy, but yeah, that is what we're doing for now. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I wanted to pop on here and show you guys kind of what my hair looks like. Sorry, it's kind of impromptu here, but I forgot. I love it, the color of this. I feel like it's such a pretty, like almost like darker red, but it covered up that purple, which I'm so surprised on. I left it on for about an hour. Definitely, I love this color, and the more and more I kind of dye it, it will get brighter and brighter, especially as that purple underneath it fades. But I was really surprised by how red this came out. If you guys can see here, like it's pretty red. It's not as bright as it was before, but it will get there in time. But I'm actually really surprised. I love this Arctic Fox hair dye. 2 thumbs up again. My hair feels so nice, so soft. Don't mind it today. It's messy. I didn't really do anything with it since last night. I did run a straightener through it earlier, but it rained. I worked, all that. So, you know, fun. But yeah, I did want to pop on here and show you guys what it looked like and what it looked like dry nonetheless, because I find that to be the most important. I'm in front of my lights. I'm like really white. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely 2 thumbs up. I think it worked fantastic. Maybe would have been even more red if I left it on longer, but love it. I'm very happy with the results, and I figured I would share. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and some more videos will be up soon. I thank you guys. Bye.